welcome back to another Chef Slimy video, and today I'm here with my good friend Trex and his cat named Sniffles. Bro, this man's dancing. Wait. Wait, this is the- wait, where did he go? He disappeared! Jump down below! Alright. Trex, I broke my leg. Is that okay? I don't think it's okay. I broke my leg. I broke my leg. Alright, boys, so the first step of this, we need to set sail, I mean. Are we going near that the green skull? Like the green eye skull? Okay. I'm driving. No, wait, I got an idea. You lower the sails. Mr. Sniffles driving. Bro, lower the sails. Lower the sails. Lower the sails. Mr. Sniffles, drive. Drive, Mr. Sniffles. Mr. Sniffles doesn't drive, but... Epic oh my gosh, bro, that's so beautiful. Like, the sun just glaring off at you and Mr. Sniffles, bro, it's so good. Like, bro, that's like a good movie scene or something, like Sea of Thieves. They made a Sea of Thieves movie. I'll steer us, bro. Okay. Mr. Sniffles, you just stay right. He's staring at me with that eye. Make him dance. Make him dance. Dance, Mr. Sniffles. Also, if you want to see more Sea of Thieves, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And also... Wait. Oh, crap! Alright, I'm good. Bro, I love sailing the seas. Wait, is that water edible? Bro, I love it. He's like praying, bro. This man's praying. Like, he's just like, give me food, please, give me food. He's just like, wait, I could probably do, oh my gosh, bro, we're heading into the mist. Frick. Okay. That's not good. Check on the map down below. Bro. What if you saluted to Mr. Sniffles and he did it back? Bro, that would be hilarious. Wait, what happens if you do this? What happens if you like gunpoint Mr. Sniffles? Bro, what the heck? Gunpoint! You're a gunpoint! Hands up in the air! Bro, he like bows down. What the frig? That's kind of cool. Bro, no. Dude, Trex, come here. Look, I'm about to do something risky, but it's gonna be good. Yeah, boy! Come on. Come on. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Not right behind me. Bro, what is this? We're a fusion of people. I dare you go on top of the mast and do it. Really, Trex? This is how kindergarten goes. Kids always sit on each other. Oh, bro, why did the skull turn red? That's not good, bro. Look at it. It's red. Oh. Bro, I need to get off the top of the boat. I'm scared. Mr. Sniffles... No, wait, I need to take Mr. Sniffles to see if that's safe. Mr. Sniffles, tell us if this... Wait, what the heck? I need to make sure that... Alright, Mr. Sniffles, is that safe? Bro, does his face seem it's safe? Oh! Bro, what the frick? Our boat's like the freaking Flying Dutchman. Sorry guys for the little bit internet issues. We have them in the games. I know if you guys have probably had them. Like you're in the midst of a game and then it just lags and then you just get so frustrated. So it all happens. It happens to all of us. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do, but like we're kind of in deep doo-doo right now. That's what we're in. It's because me and Trex are going to fight. Like an evil Kraken. Or Kraken. Yeah, Kraken. Well, we may fight a Kraken, who knows. Krakens, I don't know where they go. I don't know where they come from or something like that. Spawn. Alright, I'm gonna join Trex again. And if you want to play with me and Trex and be maybe in one of our videos, just search up friends and then we'll do a group post of Minecraft and like tons of times. We'll do tons of like little posts or something like that. Try again. What? Bro, this better not be one of those issues again, I swear. I swear guys, I'm so sorry, like, internet, not so good, you know. We all have internet problems. We all do. We all truly have internet Trex. Thank you, Trex. Crap, okay. Bro. Something went wrong, start. I'm sorry guys, this is just like kind of boring now, but like, hey, I'm trying my best. I'm not the person that keeps the internet good. I ain't the internet man. I ain't the guy that does it all. I just make videos for people's entertainment. Also, this is something I want to ask you guys real quick. If you want to see part 2, where me and Trex may go somewhere else, you know, like when we do something. Bro, feed Mr. Sniffles. He cannot run out of food. Give me food. Just like Mr. Sniffles be like, dude, I got logged out. Internet problem. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute, so. Give him a fish. Cats like fish. Fish. Maybe I could do. Wait, how do you talk like Mr. Sniffles? Mr. Sniffles is a cat. He's our cat and Sea of Thieves. He's our only, like, pet. Bro, you know it'd be sick and just, like, no-scoping, like, skeletons, bro. Fish? Bro, you found a fish or you got a fish for Mr. Sniffles? Oh, he probably loves that, man. Oh, I'm back on the ship. Alright, so what now? I have to swing you by the island? So you want me to swing you by the island? I know, but do you want me to swing you by the island? Okay. But I'm gonna do it slowly. Where no crashes. Alright, so we're getting closer. Alright, fire yourself, fire, fire. Where is it? Oh, that island? So right at the island. Wait, alright, crap. Wrong island! Wait, is it the pirate outpost? Like, it's the outpost? Bro, Mr. Sniffles. He's over here. He's pointing me in the right direction. Snuffles or Sniffles? Yeah, you have. So I'll fire you and Mr. Sniffles out of the cannon. No, I'm gonna fire you out of the cannon. With Mr. Snuffles. Mrs. or Mr.? Okay, it's Mr. Snuffles. Gotta catch it, gotta catch it. Alright, bro, you're gonna have to get ready. You better catch that. We have maybe like 10 minutes. Like about, couple seconds, maybe like 10 seconds before we arrive. I'll shoot him out of the cannon first. And we can make sure that he is safe. Wait a minute. That sound. What the frick, bro? I thought I heard Meg music. Bro, incoming! Ah! Get off the ship, the steering wheel's broken. I'm trying to, it's broke. Yeah, they hit the direct Alright, take out the towers. I'll repair the ship. I'll repair it up and get them out. Dude, we only have 5 pieces of wood, so we're kind of dwindling, depends. I know. Alright. So I'm gonna patch up the steering wheel, and then I'll come back for you guys. Well, I have to patch the steering wheel first, just because that's something main. Alright, I'm coming back. we were going way too slow. I went in too slow into there and we got wrecked. If we were at a faster speed, we could have got missed that the cannonball that hit us. So, oh. All right, I'm coming in again. Oh, I'm steering. All right, bro. So I'm kind of like doing that one method where you move the little steering wheel back and forth just to like get that little nudge or something, like a small nudge. Roast it. Boom. I'm trying. I am going fast. I'm just steering around the island. Like circling the island. While being shot at. So. There are 2 towers that are working very fine and they're... Oh! No, but I'm almost. Yeah. Not this minute, bro. Oh, bro, we just got hit. And we're getting too close to shore. Maybe 30. Yeah, ah! Oh, bro, we got pummeled down. Alright, I gotta steer away to repair. Oh, bro, I just got knocked off the ship. I swear, I just got knocked off the ship. And we got hit 3 times. Oh, crap, bro. This ain't turned well. We got hit 4 times, and I'm off the ship because I got blasted off twice by cannonball. Yeah, it's going straight. It's fine. It's fine, but it's gonna drown if I don't get back on it. Oh yeah, it's bad. It's bad. Like there's too much water, and there's so many holes, and we only have 3 wood, so we're fricked. Oh, where are all the holes at, bro? Take out all the towers, bro. I swear, like, I can't come back for a good minute. Gotta repair this shit. Alright, the ship is good. Alright, I'm coming back for you. By the time I come back, dude, like, they should be disabled, I think. One of the towers. Okay, we're definitely gonna have to stop by an island and just like resupply right after this. Like take everything off that island into the barrels in our ship. Because we're out of wood, so we get hit again, we're fricked. So this is a risk. Alright, so shoot out the towers. I have about a minute until I get there, about. A minute until we're about right. And there's rocks around here, so we could be crashed. So that's good that we have this sloopy. It's kind of small. Also, so if we defeat this guy, what do we get? Okay. I saw, bro, there's about like 20 skeletons right at the main entrance of that. I was like, what the frick? There is a meg around here, I swear. Those two towers wrecked me last time. Fireball incoming! Okay, that's bad. That's bad. Bro, I think we got hit. I can't remember. I think you shot the cannon. Or we got hit. Because we are about to get hit again. Oh, we barely missed that. Bro, we're getting hit bad. There better be wood on that island, I swear. If there's not, then our ship is fricked. Badly. You have 2 pieces. And we are dying. Yeah. We're fricked. I'm trying to stay on one part of the island that doesn't have anything. Like, I'm just scooping out water right now while our ship is being assaulted. It's because I have only one wood. How are we dying that much? Oh my god, bro. These guys have absolute aimbot. Dude, I swear. Ah. Get back here, Trex. We need to save our ship. Trex. Dude, this is why we need to take pit stops, or I think we should have bought one of those crates that have wood. Frick. Yeah, they do. So there's no possible way to take it out. Yeah. Yeah, but I tried, and it missed. I've missed the shot, and we only have a limit. So, Trex. Dude, I'm just gonna take a park stop at this other island. It's because we're drowning, so... May as well see if this island that I'm at right now has any use. Alright, down goes the anchor. Alright. So once you get back, we'll be at a different island trying to resupply. And when you get back, one of us is gonna have to run the island, grab some wood, and try to find some wood at least. Nope, and I'm not even close to the island that we were just at. Because our ship is sinking. Yeah, bro, don't go against the captain like that. Dude, I have 3 holes over here. Actually, about 4. I parked at a different island about far away from there. A good distance. Oh, I parked it where nobody could shoot it, technically. Because there's nothing coming over here. But the ship is sinking and I'm dying, so... Bro, I need wood. Alright, 1 piece of wood. Alright, that's good. That's good. That's good for the trip. Alright, that is good. 2. I need 3. I need 3. Alright, grab that. Grab that wood. Alright, go run to the ship. I have 5 more wood. We're gonna have to stock up all of our stuff with the stuff on the island. That means all the cannonballs and all that. Because we weren't prepared for that. They take the boat out is because they know you can respawn, I think. So every material you get, I say you just throw it in a chest or something. Like all the food, throw it in a barrel and all that. Like just restock everything. With things that we found. I found a cursed cannonball already, so. Dude, so I'm looting the island. We need a, huh? Cursed cannonballs will be good if we gain. Bro, there's a cave here, so. There's like a cave or something in there. Just come help me grab everything out of the barrels. Then why did we go to that one? I don't want to try that island. That's too powerful. Let's just store up on, like, we're good mostly on cannonballs and, like, firepower, but I guess we can try, because you don't know, if we're in a battle fighting these guys for a good minute, like 10 minutes or something, we're going to need a lot more. Like, we're going to need, like, maybe at least 50 wood. I say we just stack up on cannonballs and everything in these crates. In these barrels and stuff, just grab everything from the barrel. Throw it in the barrels on our ship, grab everything off the island, and then do something else. There's more barrels on the island, I know that. We don't need grubs. Okay, then you can grab from Mr.sniffles, I guess. Dude, there's a rowboat. Alright, so we should use the rowboat. Alright, so put the stuff that we get, all the equipment that we get, maybe put in the rowboat, and then we'll put it, like, we'll empty it out on the ship. How about that? Okay, but you have to push it. That is. Just fill it up with everything in there. There's some fish in there for, that can be for, I forgot his name already. Mr.sniffles. Your cat's so confused. It's like, what the heck is going on? Alright, give me a second. Let's see. So, Mr.sniffles is good right now. Alright, I got a lantern. I'm traveling through this cave real quick. Wait, how'd you die, Trex? Bro, you dying to phantoms? Okay. Not gonna lie, but they're actually kind of hard. Alright, guys. This is the end of this video. If you want to see part 2 of it, or another Sea of Thieves video, just hit that like button, and every like is a new video. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.